You like? Hello and welcome back to another video. Hi, my name is Audrey. If you are new here, please comment, like, hit that subscribe button, and be a part of the Lovely Berry Squad. On today's video, you read that title, we have the Kiss Acrylic, new, as y'all can see here, medium length, and they have a new shape. Now, if you've seen my previous video of the French tip nails that I did, it was the square shaped, and I really like that. Go check that video out now, and then come back to this video. So, y'all, if this turns out, this might be my new shape, or I might just switch it up, you know, 1 week, well, I can wear these up to 2 weeks, you know, if you have the glue on you. And yes, I'm that type of person who has the glue in her bag. And we'll put, and if it pop off, take that glue out and just put it right back on. That's the convenience of press-on nails. It comes off, then you just put it right back on. But let's get into this video. Make sure you comment if you've tried these before, like, hit that thumbs up, and please, please, please consider subscribing. And stay all the way to the end of the video to see the reveal. All right, let's get into this.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling.
So y'all, this one comes with the skinny tube of glue. I have my other glue that I like, and I'm going to use that one to apply the nails. Yeah, I love how shiny this looks. Just off the light, it's so cute. Oh, so pretty. So I should know by now what my numbers are, but it just seems to me that every time I do this, I don't remember. So this is a 3. The 3 is looking good for my thumb. Usually my fingers are all the same on both sides, so you know, sometimes your fingers might be shaped different depending on what happened. You hit them in the door, that kind of stuff.
Why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. You wanna get with me, stop. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play
See how easy that is compared to the other one? Alright. Got a good amount spread out. Glue. And we are going to press down. And can you see how it's going? Alright, so that full part there. We're gonna hold for 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Then we're gonna lift up. No bubbles. Just a little bit of extra glue right here on the side, but you can wipe that off with if you have any nail glue remover. Okay, let's get to the next one.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes you. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around love, right around.
Okay, y'all, so I knew I was gonna do it. I did the last two off camera, but I jinxed myself and I got a little bubble, but you can't see. But this is the final result. Y'all, I'm loving these. I'm so happy. So happy that they did this shape. I hope they do stiletto in medium. Stiletto in medium with this. This will be your daily. Professional, y'all, you have to get this. You have to get this. Walgreens, CVS, on the website. Beautiful. Kiss. If you're watching, tag them, comment them down below, y'all. Share this video so they can see it. If you're watching, get the stiletto in medium. I have the medium square, medium coffin, and medium stiletto. Y'all, it's worth it. Take your time, no bubbles. Beautiful. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. Like, turn on those post notifications. Comment down below if you've tried this one. All right. Love it. So professional. All right. Thank you for watching. I really, 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 really appreciate it. You guys are watching my nail videos. I have vlogs too. Look at those. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, 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 please subscribe. Subscribe. And join the Lovely Bear Squad. I'm doing these nail videos. They have so many different ones coming. They popping up with new ones. So y'all, comment down below what you want to see. And I'll go get it. And I'll do a video. So you can see how they look before purchasing them. Just let me know. Just let me know in the comments. And I'll go get it and I'll put it on and I'll show y'all. But bam. Can't go wrong. What you say, girl? New set. New set. You know how you do when you got a new set. New set. So professional. Do y'all be texting like that? Or do you text like this? Still cute though. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I really appreciate you guys commenting. I'm talking to y'all back. So, all right. Bye. I'll see y'all in the next one.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get